How to attract women with your mouth closed. Before we get into this video, I need y'all to understand that 55% of communication is non-verbal, 38% is vocal, and 7% is words only. Meaning, you can attract women without even speaking to them, right? But you have to do these 4 things to attract them. Let's jump into the video. Number 1, you have to get in shape, right? You're not going to attract women if you're skinny, if you're fat, right? You're not going to attract women. If you have a dad bod, you is not going to attract women. Women are not interested in those things. Women are not attracted to those things, right? That's why I be telling y'all, bro, you need to get in the gym. Build some muscle mass to you. Build some muscle mass to you, guys. When a woman is looking at you and you in shape, you rip fuck up, you jack the fuck up, she's imagining like, damn, what if I sleep with that dude, right? What would he do to me? That's what she's thinking, right? But you have to be in shape in order for her to think like that. She's not going to think like that if you're 120 pounds, 130 pounds, skinny as hell, you look like a twig, right? She's not going to take you seriously. She's gonna be like, damn, I weigh more than this dude. Can he even pick me up? Can he smash me while he holding me in the air? Can he do that? Right? I might break this dude. That's what she's thinking. I might break this dude because he's too skinny. He's too small. Right? And if you fat, bro, she's definitely not going to look at you. She's definitely not going to look your way. She's not going to look your way. You have no chance of giving her because she's not attracted to you, bro. Women are not attracted to fat men. Women are not attracted to dad bods. Stop believing this society. Stop believing this BS when women say that. They're not attracted to that. They're not. Guys, I'm telling you, if you put a group of women in a room, right, and a man come in that's ripped the fuck up, jacked the fuck up, right? If he come in, watch how the women react. The women are going to look at him crazy. I know y'all seen the videos on the internet, right? Men walking by, they ripped up, jacked up with their shirt off. The women looking at them, choosing. You know what I'm saying? They biting, right? Women are attracted to men that's in shape, right? If you trying to attract women without speaking, bro, you have to get in shape. I just told y'all, 55% of communication is non-verbal, right? So you must be in shape so you can get her attracted to you. So you don't really have to do too much talking, too much riz, right? Too much having to use your mouthpiece. Guys, to me, guys, I don't really like having to convince women to like me, right? I really don't. I don't really like to having to talk my way into the pants. I don't like doing all that. Right, you call me lazy, you call me whatever. I do not like doing all that. Right, baby? I'm not finna sit here and try and bust my ass to get you to like me when I know deep down somebody hit you for free, smash you for free, without having to do anything. Right? So the more you convincing, the more you putting her on the pedestal, and she's going to see that and she's not going to like you. She's like, oh damn, this dude, he's a whole fan. Right? He's a whole fan. He's chasing for my validation. Right? No, guys, I'm teaching you to attract women without even having to do too much. Do bare minimum, right? The men that get the most women do the bare minimum. A lot of y'all dudes be talking too much to get the women, bro, and you don't have to do none of that, right? But 1, you have to get in shape. 2, you gotta smell like $1 million. You have to smell like $1 million. You have to smell good. A lot of y'all dudes be smelling like straight booty, must, right? Ass and titties, y'all be stinking. You be stinking, bro. You have to clean your clothes. You have to spray fragrance on, right? A lot of y'all dudes haven't cleaned y'all bed in I don't know how long, months, right? Guys, every week you should be cleaning your bed, your bed sheets, your pillow sheets. You should be washing your hair. You should be taking showers daily, right? Y'all dudes be going days without taking showers, weeks without cleaning your clothes, weeks without cleaning your bed. She's going to smell that on you, bro. Let's say you walk past her. She's going to smell your hair first, bro. It's going to leave a trail, right? A scent. If your hair stink, you stink. That's how she's looking at you, right? Guys, I need y'all to start washing your body. I need you to start taking your smell seriously. You know what I'm saying? You can't be smelling like crap and expecting to attract the baddest women. You have to smell good. Clean your clothes. Clean your sheets. Buy cologne. A lot of y'all do grown as hell. Y'all don't have no cologne. Why you don't have no cologne? Why? Right? Most guys, I need y'all to understand, most men don't wear cologne in the first place. Right? So if you walk in a building, if you walk in a room and you got cologne on, these are gonna look at you. They're gonna be biting. Like, damn, who is that dude? He smell good. He smell like $1 million. Damn, look at him. He in shape, girl, and he smell good. I'm trying to see what he talking about. right? Because all these beta males out here, they smell like straight booty. Smell like straight crap, right? Guys, I can't tell you how many times where I walked in the room, did not say nothing, girls approach me, damn, you smell good, what you got on? What that is? Right? That's a quick conversation starter right there. Now you can chop it up, now you can get the girl number, right? Without even having to do too much. A lot of y'all dudes be playing the game backwards, bro. Put cologne on, put on deodorant. Don't walk out the house with no deodorant on. Stop being musty, stop, right? Clean your body hairs. The reason why you so musty because you got all this body hair on you. Cut that off. Women are not attracted to that, bro. Women are not attracted to that. The reason why you musty because you got all this body hair on you. It's leaving a odor. Cut it off. Cut it off. Take showers daily. Put on cologne. Clean your bed sheets. Clean your pillow sheets. Right? I promise you, bro, you will smell good. Clean your hair and you will smell good. You will attract women without speaking. Number 3, body language. A lot of y'all dudes have terrible body language. Terrible. Every time I walk into a place, I see dudes, young dudes that's younger than me, hunchback. Right? Like, bro, you too young to have a hunchback. Right? And it don't matter how old you is, bro, you should not have a hunchback. Stand up straight. Have great posture. A lot of y'all dudes have terrible ass posture, right? Women are attracted to men that are healthy. By you having bad posture, you come off unhealthy, bro. You literally come off unhealthy, right? You slouch like this. You sitting down, you slouch like this. Like, come on, you need to have straight posture. Having straight posture comes off that you have confidence. Women are attracted to men that have confidence. They not attracted to men that's unsure about himself, right? They want the man that has the most confidence. Women are attracted to men that stands up straight, that have great posture. When you walking in the room, bro, people should look at you like, damn, he run this building, right? He run this, right? I need you to walk in every place as if you run the building. You run this, right? A lot of y'all dudes, y'all be slouched, y'all be looking at your phone. That's another thing too. Stop being on your phone when you walking, right? When you walking and it's a lot of people, walk straight. You don't have to get on your phone. When you on your phone and you walking in the area, you come off unconfident, come off unsure about yourself, right? When you walking into any area, when there's a group of people, a lot of people, walk straight, stand up straight, chest up, right? Eyes up, you know what I'm saying? Or eyes straight. You know what I'm saying? Come off confident, come off that you that dude, right? Stop getting on your phone when you walking into an environment. Stop. That's why nobody approaching you, because you look unapproachable. Why would I approach you if you on your phone? Why? Right? I'm going to approach the person that's not on their phone versus the dude that's on their phone. You know what I'm saying, guys? You gotta think smart. You have to understand what women are looking for. A lot of y'all dudes don't be understanding this, and that's why you be lacking at getting women. Understand what women are looking for. Women are looking for confident men. So if they're looking for confident men, you need to come off confident. A way to come off confident, get off your phone. Get off your phone. When you walk into an environment, stand up straight, posture straight, chest up, look forward, right? Look forward. And I promise you, bro, people will approach you. People will want to talk to you. I can't tell you how many times people, women especially, they be like, damn, why you walk like that? Why you walk so serious? Why you walk like you own the place? Duh, because I do own the place. That's the mindset I need y'all to have, right? Women are attracted to men that run shit. that's the honcho, the head dog. You know what I'm saying? Y'all be walking into areas and y'all be looking unconfident and wondering why women don't like y'all. That's why. You come off unconfident, bro. You got a hunchback. You young as hell and you already got a hunchback, right? Stop playing the game. That's why you got a hunchback too, because you always leaning forward. Stop doing that. Go outside. Work on your posture. Look in the mirror. Have a big ass mirror and walk by your mirror. Right? See how your posture is. Right? A lot of y'all dudes got terrible posture, and that's why women are not approaching you. That's why women are not finding you attractive. Right? When you have great posture, women look at that. Women sees that as confident. Women are attracted to confident men. And number 4, eye contact. Terrible eye contact. Every time you looking at somebody, every time you talking to somebody, right? You always looking away. Or when somebody talking to you, you always looking away. You're not looking at them. Look them in their eyes. Stop being scary. Stop being scary. You might feel uncomfortable to you because you're not used to doing it. You're not used to holding it, right? You should not be breaking eye contact with these women or people in general. You bet not be the first person to break eye contact. They better be the first person to break eye contact. Yes, right? When you scared to hold eye contact, when you can't hold eye contact, you come off beta. You come off weak. Women are not attracted to weak ass men, guys. So yes, when a woman is talking to you, your mouth is closed, you can attract her by having great ass eye contact. Great eye contact. Right? I can't tell you how many times women say, damn, why you looking at me so seriously? Why you staring at me into my soul? Women are attracted to that. Women respect men that can hold eye contact. That's not no, right? When you scared to hold eye contact, you come off weak, right? Women like strong men. By you holding eye contact, you showing her that you're strong. Baby, I can stare you in your soul without blinking. I can stare you in your soul without looking away, right? And guys, I'm not saying to have that creepy stare, you like this. No, you gotta have a little gaze, that triangle gaze. Like literally, I could be from a distance. I could really be from a distance. I could see a man and woman conversation. I could tell if he's going to smash her tonight. I can tell if he's going to smash her that day, right? By his body language, by his eye contact. Guys, the eyes say it all, right? If you're trying to attract a woman with your mouth closed, right? Your eyes gotta tell the whole story. Your eyes gotta tell the whole story. When she looks at you, she should see like, damn, he would really take me to Pound Town. Damn, he's a dude that I can't play with. Damn it, he look dominant. He look assertive. He look strong, right? He look confident, right? Most men not confident. Most men can't hold eye contact. But this dude right here, he can hold eye contact. He's not scared of me, right? I could tell he used to getting women that look like me or even better than me. It's telling her that she's not used to dealing with girls her caliber. That's what it's literally showing her, right? Just by you not holding eye contact, right? Guys, if you trying to get a girl without speaking, you need to be able to hold eye contact. You need to, right? Without looking like a creep. Let me say that too. Without looking like a creep. Have a little gaze to you, bro. Right? Squint just a little bit when you looking at her. Right? Smirk just a little bit when you looking at her. Right? And that's how you keep the woman attracted to you. That's how you keep the woman interested in you without even speaking. Just think about it. You got good body language, guys. You smell like $1 million. You smell good. You in shape, right? You got good eye contact. If you can do these 4 things, you're going to get the girl without even speaking to her, right? You smell like $1 million. You smelling good. You're not smelling musty, right? You in good shape, right? You're not fat. You're not skinny. You know what I'm saying? You got good body language, right? You don't have bad posture. You're not hunching back. You don't have a hunchback, right? That's them signs are unhealthy, right? And women are attracted to healthy men. You know what I'm saying? And you got good eye contact. You know how to do the triangle gaze, right? Just by you doing these 4 things, bro, you're going to attract the girl without even speaking to her. Without even speaking to her, bro. But you have to understand these 4 things, guys. It's very simple. Right, you can literally attract a woman with your mouth closed. With your mouth closed. So just imagine you do these 4 things, and then just imagine you finally do speak to her. You finally do talk that shit in her ear. She got no choice but to come home with you. She got no choice but to come home and sleep with you. she got no choice but to get smashed that night. But yeah, guys, that's the video for today. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, this your buddy Ron. I'm out. Peace.